Lads, brain rot is evolving and we should all be scared. Today I'm going to show you how to make these new viral brain rot story videos. These videos are generating millions of views right now and honestly they are so addicting. Last night I went down a deep rabbit hole of scrolling on my feed for hours just in a doom scroll. I'm not proud of it, but at least I can say I've learned everything that I need to know about what makes these videos pop off and go viral so I can teach them to you. But honestly, if you're wanting to make some money with TikTok or YouTube Shorts, this is one of the best niches right now, just because of how addictive these videos are. Because the longer people stay on your videos, the more views you get, which means the more money you make from ads. Part of me almost doesn't want to reveal the secret to this niche because I'm going to keep on getting stuck in these doom scrolls. It's really bad. Anyways, let's go watch one of these videos, jump straight into the tutorial. Alright, so this is the first page we're going to look at. Now these videos are basically AI football story videos, and now they are the epitome of brain rot. But as you can see here, we've got 104 million views on just this one video. Bonkers. 3.8 million views on this one, you know, a couple of 100,000 on a couple of these, very consistently getting loads and loads of views. Definitely a viral niche, and it is just brain rot, let's be honest. Literally Ronaldo and Messi playing with an aeroplane in some mud. Obviously they're comparing themselves to them two, who are doing a lot better, so they're going to try and earn some money. Let's just skip to the video now. They're mending something with the scrap they've been doing. As you can see here as well, there's loads of these like please like and stuff throughout the video, like loads of that, which we can do as well. And you know what, they've made their own plane better than Mbappe and Neymar. That's literally the premise of the video, is they've built their own plane to show off. Extremely brain rot video, but that video's done 104 million views, which has made this guy a lot of money for that video. Now these football ones do really well, but the problem is there are a few of these pages now and there's definitely some competition out there for this. So what I think you should do is you should expand this to movies or TV shows or other forms. If we take a look at this one here, we can see that this person's done it with Marvel. Now he's done it 5 days ago and the video already has 1.2 million views. As you can see, Thanos is trying to go on a date. Wanda's having none of it, saying he's bald, blah blah blah. Poor Thanos, you know, he's compared himself to Spider-Man now. He's sabotaging the plot, and oh no, Spider-Man has no hair. You get the premise of it. Now Thanos has some hair, I'll get the girl. Just dumb, stupid brain rot videos. But these videos, as you can see, are raking up views. This person on Instagram's got 1,000 followers and this video got 1.2 million views. Like that conversion is insane, and it's because of how addicting these stories are. So first things first, we're going to need a script to actually come up with some ideas for our video. So basically what I'm going to do is going to ask ChatGPT to come up with some other ideas based on that Marvel story that did 1 million views, just to get the ball rolling. Alright, so this is the prompt that I've gone with. If you want to copy it, it's there. ChatGPT is going to cook us up something now. So what have we got here? We've got Hulk gets rejected at Starbucks. Hulk tries to order a caramel frappuccino, but the barista asks for his name. He gets mad when she spells it bulk and smashes the counter. Doctor Strange freezes time just to fix the spelling. So dumb, so brain rotty, but that kind of works. I like the ideas. Iron Man versus Wi-Fi. Tony Stark's suit won't connect to Wi-Fi, so he flies into space to try and get a better signal. Meanwhile, Spider-Man just gives him the router password. I love Pepper123. Silly, daft. Oh, what about this side? Captain America's ID. Cap tries to get into a nightclub, but the bouncer won't let him in because his ID says he's 100 years old. He calls Bucky as his younger friend to sneak him in. These are good basic ideas that we can get going with. So in order to make these videos, we're going to go over to a website called Higgsfield. Now Higgsfield is like an AI video generator, and you can make like crazy effects on them. You can do like loads of cool stuff. Now obviously we're just going to use this website to make some brain rot, but my point is it can definitely handle that. Now the first thing you want to do is go to image and go to Google's Nano Banana. Now right now this is free. Edit and generate as many images as you want for completely free, which is insane. So if you do decide to take advantage of this trend, or if you've got some other video ideas yourself, you want to use Nano Banana on Higgsfield because you get unlimited uses for free, which is insane right now. So basically for this story idea, we're going to need Captain America, and we're going to need Bucky, and we're going to need a bouncer. But the way you do this is you do this scene by scene. So for the first scene we need Captain America. So Steve Rogers, Captain America, images. So we just need to find a good little image of him. Now I think we want him in the suit but with his mask off. Something like this it'll do. So let's save this image. We then want a picture of a bouncer, so it can be any bouncer to a nightclub. So let's save that image, and then we can go over to Google's Nano Banana, and what you want to do is you want to throw those images in like this, and then describe the scene. Have Captain America outside a nightclub with a long line waiting to get inside the club. Have the other man as a bouncer to the club. Alright, so it's cooked us up something like this. Captain America looks cool. The bouncer looks a bit funny in the scene. Not too sure if I like that or not. Oh, maybe we try it one more time. Again, it's unlimited. I think because we've chosen an image of the bouncer's hand being so weird, that's going to mess it up. So let's choose another picture of a bouncer. This dude will do. Alright, so it's generated as this, which I think is pretty cool. You know, they look like they're meant to be there. And it's also give the name of the nightclub the Assemble Lounge, which I didn't even tell it to do. It's just that smart that it's done it itself. But anyway, I think this is a good starting image. We can definitely use this when it comes to the video. So what you want to do is you basically want to download this image. And then you want to delete these two images that you use for the reference images there. Throw this image back into the prompt generator. Have the bouncer angry and point to turn Captain America away. Something silly like that will do. Alright, so this is what we got. He's now pointing to tell Captain America to go away. Now basically we want the next scene, so we're going to want Captain America in this scene. And then we're also going to want Bucky, so now we need a picture of Bucky. By the way, if you know nothing about Marvel, these are just characters from Marvel, from the Captain America universe. If you're doing this about a TV show, or maybe even if you're doing footballers or singers, just do something that you're a bit comfortable with, you know a little bit about, so you can create these scenes and it does make sense. So Bucky from Marvel. Yeah, this picture works here. Have Captain America meet Bucky on a busy street, on a busy nightclub street. Gives him a fake ID. Something like that, which I think is pretty cool. It's done Bucky a bit crazy, but you know, the scene is there. It definitely looks cool. It's a busy nightclub street. You've got Cap, you've got Bucky. It looks cool. I don't know where his arm's gone. Not give his crazy robot arm, but we can get away with that. The ID is there, which is the important part. But we need the reason for why Captain America got turned away from the club. So have Captain America receive his ID back that says he is over 100 years old. He gets it back on a busy nightlife street. Not sure how it's going to handle that. I kind of picture like a close-up of an ID. Maybe I should have wrote that in the prompt, to be fair. But let's see what it cooks up first, and then maybe do a bit of prompt engineering just to see what we're working with. Alright, so that didn't give us the best result. So all I changed was a close-up of Captain America's receive his ID. And this is what it's given us. How perfect is that? Has his age, 105. That's the joke. That's the gig. And it's him literally passing it back on a busy street. Very funny, and it just works so well. Like, you can see the story coming together. And then I think for our last scene, we want Captain America again. So let's throw Captain America in. Then let's throw Bucky in. Have these two partying on the dance floor, surrounded by good looking girls. Alright, and then this is the last scene here. You've got Bucky, he's actually got his metal arm this time, and Cap's here. They're in the middle of a dance floor. That works for me. That, honestly, you can see the story here. He's waiting in line for a club. He's getting confronted by the bouncer, hands his ID, says, oh no, you're too old. He goes to Bucky. Bucky supplies him the fake ID. They go out clubbing. Funny little stupid brain rot story, but these are the type of stories that rank up millions and millions of views. Now, obviously, just having photos isn't going to be enough here. We want to now animate this and, you know, we want to put a bit of spice on it, put a bit of video. Now you might be thinking that that's going to be hard. Honestly, it's really simple. I'm going to show you exactly how to do it now, and you can do it on this same website. So first, let's take this first picture, download that, and let's go over to video. And you want to go down to Kling 2.1. And all you want to do is drag the image into the start frame here, and then just describe a bit about what you want the prompt to be. So Captain America walks up to the bouncer. For settings here, you want to make sure Kling 2.1 is enabled. Resolution 1080 is fine, and 5 seconds also fine. You don't need these too long. Then all you have to do is click generate, and while that generates, let's also add the rest of the images in. So back over to the image section here, let's go to the one where he's receiving his ID. And let's download that one. Go back over to video, go back to Kling 2.1, throw that into the start frame, and prompt bouncer gives him back his ID. Something simple as that. You don't need to go crazy with the prompts in. You just need to do a little bit of direction on where you want the videos to actually flow. Again, click generate, and it's literally as simple as this. So this is like the meat and the potatoes of it basically. So Captain America walking away sad. So let's have a look at the first video. Let's see if it's actually edited it good. So as you can see here, he's walking up to the bouncer. He's about to confront him. He's like, whoa, 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 what's going on? Cool. That's exactly what we want. This is literally exactly what we want. You know, it's literally setting the scene perfectly. They're about to talk. People on TikTokers and YouTube, they know they're in for a good brain rot video here. They know it's all going to pop off. And this one here is checking his ID. He's 105 years old. And it zooms in on the 105 years old. That's class. That's exactly what we wanted this video to do. We want to emphasize that 105 years old. So basically what I'm going to do now is just do this for the rest of the videos. And then we're going to throw them all into CapCut so we can see the finished product and add a little bit of pizzazz on them. But yeah, this is basically the workflow and what you need to do. So now all the videos have finished generated. So what we can do is then download these images and start throwing them over to CapCut. Now, because Google's Nano Banana isn't perfect, sometimes you're not going to get 9:16 videos or images, which is fine because 99% of the time things are in the middle of the screen. So all you have to do is when you go over to CapCut is actually extend the image. Anyways, after reframing all the videos, this is what the finished product looks like. So you've got Captain America, he's coming to the bouncer, staring him off, and then he's giving in his ID, zooming in on the 105-year-old. Oh no, go away, Captain. I'm sorry, you're not letting in this time. He walks away. Then he meets up with Bucky. Bucky gives him the fake ID. Captain America's smiling. And then him and Bucky are partying in the nightclub. Now, obviously, you can make this video go on for longer if you want. You can, you know, add extra bits to the story and get it over that 1 minute mark if you're trying to get some money off the TikTok creativity program. But if you're just doing this for YouTube Shorts or something, you could just do it in this style. This is just generally to show you the meat and potatoes of how you actually make these videos, is to include some goofy brain rot sounds. As you can see here, I've got some goofy sounds for brain rot. If you want these goofy sounds, just join the Discord and I'll send those over to you. But it's just silly stuff like this. Oh my god! You know, just dumb brain rot sounds. But basically what we're going to do now is just pick the right sounds for the right bit. So we're going to get a brain rot laughing effect, and we're going to put it over the bit where he gets sent away. So as you can see, I'll play it now for you. Just something dumb like that. It probably doesn't have to go for the entire bit, like maybe just up till there. And maybe like the suspense sound when he meets up with Bucky or something like this. Maybe not, maybe that. But as you can see, the brain rot sounds are just a little bit of added extra to give your video that little bit more spice. And then I'd also put some background music on. Now, I can't play you the background music that I'd put on this video because this video itself on YouTube will get copyrighted. But it's literally going to be some sort of like Avengers instrumental, dumbed down, brain rotty style thing. Just have a look at some of these pages and see what kind of sounds and music they're putting on. But you do need to find a good track for your video, and once you do that, your video will be done and you will have your brain rot dumbed down video that has the potential to get millions and millions of views. It's crazy how easy you can create these videos and how viral they can go. Honestly, I'm ashamed to be putting more of these videos out there, but game's the game. You know I had to put you lot on. This is exactly how these people are making these videos, and exactly how you can to earn some money on YouTube Shorts and TikTok. I'm gonna leave the link down in the description for Higgsfield AI editor that we did all of this stuff on. I'm also gonna leave a link down to the free Discord if you want to join that as well for any tips. But yeah, I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.